Daddy issues and how they affect men. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic: daddy issues and how they affect men. So, let's get started. Women aren't the only ones who deal with daddy issues. Men can struggle with them too. Daddy issues, clinically known as a father complex, are when a child develops emotional and relationship problems in adulthood from an absent or uninvolved father. This can manifest in many different ways in men. Keep watching to learn what daddy issues are, how they develop, and how they might appear in men. 1 Things you should know. Daddy issues in a man can look like clingy behavior, a constant need for reassurance, and a fear of abandonment. 2. Daddy issues develop when a child doesn't have a supportive or loving father growing up. 3. If you're a man with daddy issues, consider talking to a therapist. Journaling and practicing self-care can also help. 2. Can men have daddy issues? Yes, men can have daddy issues, too. Society typically associates daddy issues with primarily women, however, men can experience this complex just as frequently. 2. Daddy issues isn't a clinical term, however, its meaning derives from the clinical term father complex. These terms can be used interchangeably. 3 Signs of daddy issues in men. He demands reassurance. He might seek constant affection, support, and validation. He didn't receive love and support growing up, so he may ask for more of it in romantic and platonic relationships. 2. He's afraid of being alone. Because of the lack of a healthy father figure growing up, he'll likely have a fear of abandonment. He doesn't like being alone and is constantly worried that he'll be abandoned. 3. He fears change. Fathers push their children outside of their comfort zones. He may not have had someone to push him because he didn't have a healthy relationship with his father growing up. This can lead to a general fear of change. 4. He struggles with anxiety and/or depression. As a man, he may deal with the lasting effects of having to grow up faster and take on the man of the house responsibilities his father left behind or disregarded. He's attention-seeking. He never received the admiration or attention from his father growing up. Because of this, he looks for attention and praise wherever he can get it. 6. He's insecure. He is struggle with self-confidence. This can stem from feeling inferior to his father or fearing that he's the reason for his father's mistreatment towards him. 7. He's clingy. Daddy issues may be extremely anxious in relationships, which can cause him to be possessive or clingy. He may need to know where his partner is 24/7 and quickly become suspicious, worried, or jealous if he can't get in contact with them. 4. What causes daddy issues? Daddy issues are caused by a lack of love and support from a father. 2. Fathers who are overindulgent, emotionally unavailable, abusive, dependent, or controlling are the most likely to create daddy issues in their children. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.